I'm a proud Muslim coloured boy from Pakistan who was told that he would never play for the Australian cricket team. Look at me now. And you can do the same. I'm here to announce today that I'll be retiring from all international cricket after the SCG Test match. He's given me memories I'll carry forever, friendships that go well beyond the game, and lessons that shape me who I am off the field. I hope I've inspired many children along the way, particularly those who feel that they are different, those who feel that they don't belong, or those others tell that they will never make it. I felt all these things growing up and trying to be an Australian cricketer. But seeing is believing, and I'm here to tell you that you can do whatever you want. You just got to keep trying. Never let anyone convince you that you can't, because if they do convince you, then you never will. And the way everyone came at me about my preparation, and it was quite personal in terms of, things like he's not committed to the team. He was only worried about himself. He played this golf comp the day before. He's selfish. He doesn't train hard enough. He didn't train the day before the game. He's lazy. These are the same stereotypes, the racial stereotypes I've grown up with my whole life. I can give you even more probably responses of guys who've had 15 schooners the night before and then got injured. No one said a word. That's all right. They're just being Aussie larrikins, right? They're just being lads. So for me, that was the frustrating part. But when I get injured, everyone went at my credibility and who I am as a person, rather than normally when someone gets injured, you feel sorry for them, you feel a little bit of remorse. Poor Josh Hazelwood or poor Nathan Lyon, he's gotten injured, we feel really sorry for him. We don't attack what happened to him. That was the thing that I was probably most sad about, and that's what I've been dealing with for a long time. I just want the journey for the next Usman Khawaja to be different. I want you to treat him or her all the same, not have